Rest when you are ready, refresh and renew yourself, your body, your mind, your spirit, then get back to work. Our environment, the world in which we live and work, is a mirror of our attitudes and expectations. The reason a lot of people do not recognize opportunity is because it usually goes around wearing overalls looking like hard work. A lot of hard work is hidden behind nice things. Obstacles don't have to stop you. If you run into a wall, don't turn around and give up. Figure out how to climb it, go through it, or work around it. Football is like life. It requires perseverance, self-denial, hard work, sacrifice, dedication, and respect of our authority. Hard work pays off. Hard work beats talent any day. But if you are talented and work hard, it's hard to be beat. In fitness, there are no shortcuts. It involves immense discipline and hard work. God has blessed me with an amazing family, friends, and work colleagues that have been my joy, my sport, and my sanity. I don't know what I did do without them. The greatest thing about where my life is right now is it's very relaxed and chill. I am just hanging out, being myself, and doing my work. I don't work with a stylist. I don't work with a glam squad to get me together for the red carpet. I really enjoy the time it takes to do it myself, to choose my clothes and do my own makeup and my own hair. Talent is cheaper than time salt. What separates the talented individual from the successful one is a lot of hard work.